Hello everyone, welcome back and happy to see you on Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow browsing in Safari on iPhone and iPad. If your Safari also browses slow, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. To check that, open any browser like Chrome or UC browser, not Safari, and make sure that your internet is working fine. After that, go to settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi for a couple of minutes, then turn on Wi-Fi, and also do the same thing with the mobile or cellular data. After that, we go for solution number 2. Go to settings and check the list, find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, tap on clear history and website data and tap again clear history and website data to clear the history of Safari. After that, we go for solution number 3, disable VPN. Launch settings, then tap general and tap VPN and disconnect VPN if any VPN is connected. Now we go for solution number 4, reset network settings. Launch settings, then tap general and tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 5, check date and time. First launch settings, then tap general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.